News is we're not really doing anything new. We're now just going to look at two curves that create at least two regions. So if you look, I have f of x, and that is a cubic. So can you tell f of x is this cubic? And then g of x is the parabola that opens down. So I want to do the area between the two curves, and I have two locations. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the points of intersection. So you set those equal. This would be no calculator. And please pay attention to that on the homework. The 8.5, I did reduce some homework scores. Instead of a 2 out of 2, you may have gotten a 1.8 because you clearly used a calculator to do the integrals when it said don't use the calculator. So I'm not going to give you full credit because there was a ton of work to do by hand, and we want to learn how to do that. So I'm going to pause a moment, and I want you to find the intersections. Now, one of them looks Captain Obvious, right? It's at the origin. But let's do the algebra in order to figure it out. Then so that's going to give you the A will be the left intersection, x value. The middle one is B, and C is the one on the right. And then if you can figure out how to then solve it, go for it. So you factor out a GCF. So this is 3x times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So I'm getting -2, 0, and 2. Did you get that? So then it says set up the integrals that represent this. So from -2 to 0, which curve is on the top, f of x or g of x? F of x. And you could do something as simple as this if it's named, and then I'm going to go 0 to 2, and then the parabola is on top, g of x minus f of x. Then we're not going to re-sketch this. I didn't realize I had it sketched there. Then again, you want to do this one without a calculator. And I'm going to pause and let you do that. right, so check this step right here, that when you simplified the first integral, you end up with 3x cubed minus 12x on the inside. And on the second one, you should get negative 3x cubed plus 12x on that inside. Did we get that okay? All right. Are we still working? Okay, keep working. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish this one. So this will be what? 3/4 x to the 4th minus 6x squared from negative 2 to 0. Then I'll get negative 3/4 x to the 4th plus 6x squared from 0 to 2. So that whole first piece is 0 minus, be careful then, you'll get 3/4 times negative 2 to the 4th minus 6 times negative 2 squared plus then negative 3/4 2 to the 4th plus 6 times 2 squared minus 0. So then I have a negative out front, 12 minus 4 plus so it's a negative 12, which is 12, plus 12. How many of you got the whole way and got 24? You got it? Yes. Okay. So that is it. All you're going to do then is find the intersections, make a sketch. Yeah, okay.
Can you stop it at like
Can you what?
Can you just say that the sinking point all the numbers
Like here?
Yeah.
Yes, you are allowed. You are on the free response. You are allowed to stop right there. Okay? As long as all the numbers are out. You can.
Stop it.